Despite the prevalence of streaming services and wireless speakers in today's audio landscape, CD players are enjoying a resurgence due to their ability to deliver exceptional sound quality. Unlike digital formats that often compromise audio fidelity through compression, CDs maintain the integrity of the original recording, providing a rich and authentic listening experience. This fidelity is highly valued by enthusiasts and casual listeners alike, emphasizing the importance of a quality CD player as the cornerstone of any robust audio setup. Audio experts emphasize that a high-quality CD player not only enhances the clarity and depth of music, but also sets the standard for audio playback within a system. By faithfully reproducing music as it was intended to be heard, CD players ensure that every note and nuance is preserved, making them indispensable for audiophiles seeking uncompromised sound quality. CD players remain a timeless choice for those who prioritize superior sound quality and musical fidelity. Whether for casual listening or dedicated audiophile setups, we have curated the top CD players you can add to your collection. Here are our top recommendations. All product links are provided in the description. Number 5. Technics SL G700M2. Technics SL G700M2 is ideal for audiophiles looking to maximize the superb audio quality of SACs with a high-end CD player. The second rendition of Technics' premier multi-digital player can handle CDs and SACs, as well as streaming services such as Google Chromecast, Spotify, Tidal, and Amazon Music via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities. This versatility ensures that users can enjoy a wide range of audio formats and sources, making it a comprehensive solution for modern audiophiles. This player is solidly built and offers exceptional sound quality. Uncompromising sound quality starts with keeping things quiet, and the SL G700M2 removes unwanted noise via a 3-stage method. A high-speed switching power supply reduces noise interference during music playback, while a low-noise regulator offsets any remaining hum from the power supply. Finally, current injection active noise canceling digitally cancels out unwanted sounds. This combination of technologies ensures that the resulting sound is well-balanced and accurate. Number 4. Onkyo DX C390. The Onkyo DX C390 is an outstanding choice. Priced at around $225 on Amazon, this CD changer offers the ability to store and play up to 6 CDs simultaneously, making it ideal for those who want to enjoy multiple albums without constantly changing discs. The DX C390's combination of convenience, build quality, and audio functionality makes it a top choice for audiophiles and casual listeners alike. The CD changer also comes with programmable modes, enabling you to repeat entire discs or specific tracks according to your preferences. The DX C390 is equipped with an audiophile-grade 192 kHz or 24-bit DAC, ensuring high-fidelity audio playback. This DAC enhances the clarity and detail of your music, allowing you to experience recordings as the artists intended. Additionally, the CD changer supports MP3 coded CDs, which can hold up to 10 times the number of tracks as conventional CDs due to higher compression. Despite its many advantages, the Onkyo DX C390 does have a few limitations. The on-device controls are somewhat limited, which may be a drawback for those who prefer more direct interaction with their CD player. However, the included remote control mitigates this issue, offering comprehensive control over the player's functions. Number 3. KLIM Nomad. The KLIM Nomad stands out as a top choice, combining affordability, portability, and functionality. Priced at $60 on Amazon, the Nomad offers a range of features that make it ideal for on-the-go listening, whether you're commuting, traveling, or simply enjoying music away from home. One of the key features of the KLIM Nomad is its Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to use the CD player with wireless earbuds or your car's stereo system. This modern touch makes the Nomad a versatile device that can integrate seamlessly with contemporary audio setups. Additionally, the player has two 3.5mm headphone jacks, enabling you to share your listening experience with a friend using wired headphones. The Nomad also includes a micro SD card reader, providing an alternative method for enjoying your favorite music. This feature allows you to load your digital music library onto a micro SD card and play it directly through the CD player, offering greater flexibility and convenience. Multiple EQ settings are available to customize your listening experience, although the EQ is not customizable, which may be a limitation for some users. Despite its many features, the KLIM Nomad is not without its limitations. The EQ settings, while useful, are not customizable, which may be a drawback for those who prefer more control over their audio adjustments. Additionally, the player's build quality, while adequate, may not feel as robust as some higher-end models. Number 2. Sony BDPS-6700 Blu-ray Player. The Sony BDPS-6700 Blu-ray player is an excellent and affordable yet versatile CD player. Priced at around $120 on Amazon, this device not only plays Blu-ray discs but also handles CDs and SACs, making it a multifunctional addition to your home entertainment system. Despite its budget-friendly price, the BDPS-6700 offers a range of features that enhance its value and appeal. One of the standout features of the Sony BDPS-6700 is its ability to deliver surround sound level audio. This capability allows you to enjoy immersive audio experiences without the need for expensive SACD-compatible units. Additionally, the player streams high-resolution audio via Bluetooth and comes with Spotify connectivity, offering seamless integration with modern audio systems and streaming services. While the BDPS-6700 excels in many areas, it does have a few drawbacks. The device lacks a screen, which can make navigation less intuitive, and its plastic construction may not feel as premium as some higher-end models. However, these minor issues are outweighed by the player's extensive features and competitive price point. Number 1. Onkyo C-7030. If you're looking for the best CD player that offers exceptional sound quality without breaking the bank, the Onkyo C-7030 is the standout choice. Priced at around $300 on both Amazon and Walmart, this solid-feeling CD player is a favorite among audiophiles for its dynamic sound, superb build quality, and long-term reliability. The C-7030 sets the baseline for what's considered nice in audiophile circles, making it a worthy investment for serious music enthusiasts. One of the key features of the Onkyo C-7030 is its robust construction. The player boasts a thick steel chassis and aluminum construction, which help reduce unwanted vibrations that can contribute to noise and degrade sound quality. This 16-pound device feels as sturdy as its price tag suggests, thanks to a solid aluminum front panel and an oversized, bespoke transformer that ensures stable quality. Additionally, the player offers a range of output options, including optical and coaxial digital outputs, as well as an analog output. This flexibility allows you to connect the C-7030 to a variety of audio systems and configurations. Another notable feature is the headphone jack with volume controls, which provides a convenient option for private listening. This makes the Onkyo C-7030 a versatile addition to any audio setup, whether you're enjoying music through speakers or headphones. The player's sleek design and minimal vibration make it an attractive and practical choice for audiophiles and casual listeners alike. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.